Trying to log in your Telegram account but the SMS code doesn't arrive. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you why this happens and the exact steps you can take to fix the Telegram SMS code not sent problem. Many Telegram users run into this issue mainly after changing the device, switching from device A to device B, or logging in using a new number. Sometimes the SMS doesn't just show up. All Telegram suggests subscribing to its premium so that you get the SMS instantly. Let's break down some of the causes for both Android and iPhone. Check notification settings. Open the Telegram, then head over to the settings, notifications and sound. Make sure the notifications are turned on and set to high importance. This ensures you don't miss the incoming code if it arrives inside the app. The second one is to check muted chats. Now sometimes these minor issues can hinder you from receiving your code, so you need to look into it. For instance, the issue of muted chats. If the code is sent to your existing Telegram app, make sure that the Telegram chat isn't muted. The third one is verify Google Play services. SMS delivery sometimes depends on proper services. You need to update and reinstall Google Play services on your phone. The fourth one, check the phone notification priority. Go to the Android settings, apps and Telegram, then notifications. Then after, you need to set the importance behavior to high. The fifth one is battery optimization. Some devices block background activities when the battery saver is turned on. Now if you wanna change this, you just need to whitelist your Telegram app. Some devices show it, some devices don't show it. But in case yours shows it, then that's what you have to do. But again, if it doesn't show it, you need to turn off the battery saver option in case maybe you're requesting for the code so that it doesn't interfere with the code delivery. Then the sixth one, special cases, Huawei and Xiaomi. These phones aggressively block apps in the background, so you find that this only can hinder the SMS code from being delivered to your phone. Instead, it will just make you frustrated for nothing, yet there is a solution. So let me show you the solutions for the people that are using these phones. And let me put a disclaimer. I'm not meaning that all Redmi phones, all Xiaomi phones, no. Some, maybe the older versions and also some newer versions. But if you have these kinds of phones, please be careful. And if you have these kinds of phones and you're not getting the SMS login code, then you just have to pay attention. What I'm going to show you may save you from getting more and more frustrated. So let's just dive into it and check out. So with Huawei phone, you go to the phone manager, protected apps and add Telegram. Most of the people that are using Huawei phones, I think if they're using Android operating system, they're using the older Huawei phones. So this issue will happen with the older Huawei phones. And we all know that Huawei stopped manufacturing phones with Android. I think it's a couple of years back. But for those people that are using Huawei phones, they may find the issue of receiving the SMS code really hard for them. Moving on to Xiaomi, go to settings, permissions, auto start. Enable Telegram to auto start. Now in this case, I don't really have an iPhone, but I have some ideas on the users that use iPhones. And I'm just gonna summarize it since I don't have anything to show you like the way I've demonstrated with Android. The first one, Telegram app settings. So you go to Telegram, then settings, then notifications and sounds. Then you turn on notifications on your iPhone. So the other thing is the phone settings. Go to your iPhone settings, then head over to notifications, then select Telegram. Make sure that all the alerts are turned on. Then the third one is check muted chats. Now similar to the Android as I explained, you go to the settings and make sure that you unmute the Telegram app that is receiving the Telegram code. I'm not meaning that you will not receive the code, but at least you're notified that the code has come through to your Telegram app. Then lastly, reset alert style trick. Now you need to close your Telegram completely. You go to iPhone settings, notifications, and select Telegram. Hope you're already holding your phone trying all these. Because for me, I'm not having an iPhone, but I have an ID. Now set the alert style to none and relaunch your Telegram app. Then set it back to alerts or banners. You also need to try the call option, though this is too rare because most of the users have never seen that. It depends on the location that you're in. So you try maybe the option of didn't get the code. They may give you the option of receiving the code via call. They'll just call your number and they read you the code and just to verify your identity. Then the other thing is you need to use the active sessions in case you're logged into another phone that you have access to. Because Telegram is so sensitive, it will detect the devices that are online, so it will send the code to the devices that are online, though it's a desktop, a phone, or any other device. But if you don't have any other device, Telegram will send the code via SMS instead of sending it to another device that you don't actually use or you've never tried. The other thing is wait and retry later. I guess I don't have to explain this, but let me explain it briefly. In case you're experiencing this problem, the only thing that will save you out is being patient. Trust me, if you're not patient and you try multiple times, Telegram will throw you out. It may even give you the too many attempts. If I told you try to risk trying random codes or something like that, you just have to be patient. Maybe give it a shot after some hours, because the Telegram systems are too strict. They can detect if someone is trying to enforce themselves to their platform. It requires you to be patient. If you didn't receive the code, be patient, be calm, look at multiple alternatives than just sticking to enforcing yourself, trying to use tricks. Then the other thing is you need to check your SIM balance or network. I told you, like, things that you undermine are the things that can limit your code from coming through. So make sure that you have good network. And network, I usually talk about it almost every video that I make, because these are minor things but they can hinder you from getting the code. Then checking your SIM balance. In this case, I mean the people that are using mobile data. Make sure that you still have your mobile data running. I mean, if you don't notice well, you may think that you still have the data on, but yet it's off. So make sure that if the bundles expired, make sure that you subscribe for the other bundles so that it is easy for you to send a message to Telegram servers to deliver the code direct, either by SMS or to your other Telegram account. So that's how you fix the Telegram SMS not sent problem. Try these steps one by one and you'll be able to log in without issues. Now if any of these steps work for you, let us know in the comments below. And if you have any question, any suggestion, any ideas, please comment below. Let's continue these conversations in the comment section. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.